Tom Piotrowski over at CommSec. How the markets open up today, Tom?
Pete, we're looking forward to a solid start for the market today. The futures are telling us the ASX 200 should be up by around 0.7% when we kick off later on this morning. So that's not a bad outcome. It's a reflection of the gains that we've seen on Wall Street overnight. We've got gains in the order of about 1% for the three leading indices. Tech stocks doing particularly well with the Nasdaq up by 1.1%. So what has stood out in the last day, Pete, is a bit of a divergence. So between the performance of resource stocks, which did quite well, and that news flow out of China, where it turned around the prospect of more lockdowns as the country grapples with an increase in COVID cases. So it's a question of whether or not that continues today. The fact that oil prices have continued to rebound in the last day will help that outcome. So oil prices are up by about 0.6% as we speak right now. They have rebounded quite substantially over the last day. The Saudi energy minister saying they're not even formed the thought about adding production to the markets. If anything, they're thinking about cutting production if the imbalances continue. So that's worth keeping an eye on today. The energy stocks. The other big outcome, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. They are expected to deliver another outsized rate hike today. So it'll be interesting to see what the commentary is associated with that. The markets are thinking that the RBA will be raising rates by 0.25% when we meet in December.
Okay, thanks, Tom.